Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Number 10. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Its price point of 34.99 lakhs. While rupees 34.99 lakhs seems like a lot, it makes the Ninja H2 the most affordable motorcycles on this list. For 2019, the Hypersport motorcycles gets a new intake system, that is ECU, tires, brakes and lot more. The upgradation of this bike is to the phenomenal, and the grabbing the headlines is about 31 horsepower hike in the power, and while the stands of 231 horsepower and the torque is also hiked by 88.2 Nm. While taking the super sports bikes, total torque of 141.7 Nm of torque, the Hypersport motorcycle also get a special self-healing paint job. Number 9. Indian Chieftain Limited. Indian Chieftain Limited Edition. The price point is about 39.19 lakhs, and the Chieftain line of motorcycles is India's equivalent of the Harley Davidson touring range. And massive motorcycles made the Conquer highways, and the Chieftain Limited is the most expensive one of the lot, and the 2019 Chieftain Limited features the Ride Command system that brand claims has the largest screen and the fastest and the most customizable user interface on two-wheelers. It features navigations and the Bluetooth connectivity and the vehicle information, and the more other equipments includes a premium audio systems that automatically adjust for the riding conditions and the cruise control also. And the massive 1811cc Thunderstroke 3 twin that produce 161 Nm of torque makes long highways cruise a breeze, and the adjustable windscreen, the slide brakes and the custom seat only make the journey easier. Number 8. Kawasaki Ninja H2 Carbon. Kawasaki Ninja H2 Carbon. Price point is about 41.79 lakh. If even the H2 isn't the exclusive enough for you, Kawasaki has another bike that takes up a notch of double the H2 Carbon. This bike has a carbon fiber upper crown that adds to the visual drama. It powered by the same engine fitted on the 2019 Ninja H2, which comes with 231 horsepower and 141.7 Nm of torque, and the H2 also gets the new intake system, that is ECU, tires and the brake and the special self-healing point job seen on the H2 Ninja. 7. Indian Roadmaster. Indian Roadmaster. The price band is about 42.15 lakhs, and the Roadmaster is the Springfield manufacturers take a cross-country cruiser. It takes a touchscreen ride command system and an electronic front screen, adjustable footboard and keyless ignitions, and the heated grip and heated seats. Indian motorcycles and also sold one unit of exclusive Roadmaster Elite for 48 lakhs ex-showroom earlier in this year. 6. Harley Davidson CVO. Harley Davidson CVO. Price point is about 50.53 lakhs, and the most expensive motorcycle sold by the company, and the CVO stands for the Custom Vehicle Operations, and the motorcycle exclusively get the most manufacturer's most powerful engine, and engine cc is about 1923 cc and Mioic 8117, along with the heated seat and heated grips and an audio system, Bluetooth headsets and a color screen and the keyless locking and unlocking. 5. Ducati Panigale V4 Special. Ducati Panigale V4 Special, and the price point is about 51.8 lakhs. And the standard Panigale V4 offer more power, performance and style and than the most people will require. However, the Ducati seems to have felt otherwise, because this is the Panigale V4 Special, and even more special Panigale V4, limited to just 1500 units, and the extra money will get you the adjustable foot pegs and trimmed seats, carbon bits and a lot of attention. It also get a beautiful crafted titanium exhaust that takes the power of 226 horsepower and up to that what is already mind big 214 horsepower. For Ducati Panigale V4R. Ducati Panigale V4R, and the price point is about 51.9 lakhs, and the Panigale V4R is homologated version of the already Manic Panigale V4. and the 998cc motor, the Stoke Panigale V4 features about 1103cc engine and is derived of the Ducati Desmosedic GP Racer with the identical bore and the Stoke, and churns out of whopping 221 horsepower at 115,250 rpm and 112 Nm of peak torque at 11,500 rpm. And there is also an optional aftermarket, the racing exhaust system that bumps the power output of 234 horsepower at 15,500 rpm. And at rupees of 51.9 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi, the Panigale V4R is one of the most powerful production motorcycles to go on sale in the country. Number 3. Ducati Panigale V4 Anniversario 915. Ducati Panigale 25 Anniversario 916, and the price point is about 54.9 lakhs. This limited edition Panigale V4 celebrates 25 years of the company iconic 916 and called the Panigale V4 25 Anniversario 916. The motorcycle is limited to the 500 units and is the most expensive iteration of the V4. The Ducati 916 is accountable for some of the Ducati's most impressive racing statistics. 120 race win, 8 constructions titles and 6 riders titles. And the Anniversario 916 shares most of the mechanicals like the engine and the suspension with the Panigale V4S while using the sportier frame from the V4R, and it's also the feature a dry clutch and gets traction specific electronics such as the Ducati Quickshift EVO2 and the Ducati Traction Control EVO2, and it also runs forgotten magnesium racing wheels and the titanium exhaust and a long list of the carbon fiber and aluminium components. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Kawasaki Ninja H2R, and the price point is about 75.8 lakhs. The maddest bike in the H2 stable is also the second most expensive bike on sale in India, and by the considerable margin. The number on the H2 are almost the beyond on the belief, and the statographic 326 horsepower and with ram air and 165 Nm of torque, almost of just 998cc supercharged engine. Fortunately or unfortunately, the H2R isn't a street legal motorcycle, primarily because it comes with short width silk tires, so the buyers can use it only on the track. And the Ninja 2 H2R has been updated with brakes and the special self-healing paint job and the new supercharged embled on the engine chassis. One and the most expensive bike in India, BMW HP4 Race. BMW HP4 Race, and the price point is about 86.7 lakhs, topping the list in the BMW most exclusive production motorcycle, priced at 86 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi. And the BMW HP4 Race is the most expensive motorcycle on sale in India. What makes the exclusive BMW motorcycle stand out in terms of looks? It is the extensive use of the carbon fiber, and it is the first production bike in the world to offer a mainframe made entirely of carbon fiber, which weighs just 7.8 kgs, and the bike also features carbon fiber wheels, and by employing the lightweight material, the HP2 Race tips to scale of 171 kgs and the standard motorcycle weights of 208 kgs. As expected, the bike features top shaft cycle parts of the motor has been tuned to pump out of 215 horsepower, and the HP4 Race is understandably a track only motorcycle.